Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something exciting to share with you.
If you're looking to lead the way in DevOps and elevate your career in the world of IT, you're in the right place. In this video, we are going to introduce you to the best DevOps Training Institute in Electronic City, Bangalore, eMexo Technologies. Whether you're an IT professional, an aspiring DevOps engineer, a tech enthusiast, a business leader, a student, or a career changer, this is the video for you. Let's dive right in.
eMexo Technologies, situated in the heart of Electronic City, Bangalore, is your path to mastering DevOps. But what makes eMexo the top choice for DevOps training in Electronic City, Bangalore? Let's find out.
When it comes to DevOps training, expertise is everything, right? eMexo Technologies is renowned for its deep expertise in DevOps. With years of experience and a proven track record, we stand as a beacon of knowledge in the field. eMexo offers a wide array of comprehensive DevOps courses designed to cover all the essential aspects. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced professional, we have the perfect course to meet your learning needs. DevOps Certification Course, DevOps Master's Program, AWS Certified DevOps Engineer, Azure DevOps Engineer.
We understand the significance of experienced instructors. Our DevOps experts are not just teachers, they're mentors, guiding you through the complexities of DevOps, sharing their real-world experiences, and preparing you for the challenges of the industry.
We firmly believe in the power of hands-on learning. At eMexo Technologies, you won't just acquire knowledge, you'll apply it through practical projects and real-world scenarios, gaining valuable skills that will set you apart.
Quality education should be accessible to everyone, and eMexo Technologies understands that. Our courses are offered at affordable prices, making top-notch DevOps training within reach for everyone.
Whether you're an IT professional looking to upskill, an aspiring DevOps engineer on the path to excellence, a tech enthusiast seeking knowledge, a business leader in need of DevOps expertise, a student aiming for a promising future, or a career changer seeking new opportunities, eMexo Technologies is your gateway to DevOps success.
Enroll now and get the certification course discount of 30%. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to lead the way in DevOps with eMexo Technologies. Visit our website www.emexotechnologies.com or contact us at +91 95132164662 today to start your DevOps journey. Limited slots available. Enroll soon. Thank you for watching. Reach us at eMexo Technologies, Best DevOps Training Institute in Electronic City, Bangalore. www.emexotechnologies.com. Call us at +91 95132164662.